Now, in the main function of the program, let's go to this infinite loop, that is while 1. Now, here we'll just toggle the LED. Now, just come under user code begin here and press enter, and here just repeat what I do. So I would use an API. So if you are not compatible with the terminologies like API and all, don't worry. So all this we are going to learn and implement in this course. So basically API means application programming interface. So basically what happens is, there are various codes which are part of the program. So here, since this project is created using STM32CubeMX software, that software will add all the required drivers of the peripherals to the project automatically. So do you want to see that? So here it is. If you just expand this drivers folder, and here it is. So here the software is already populated all the peripheral drivers which are required for this project. So, and all these drivers, they actually expose their APIs. Each driver will have its own set of APIs. For example, so let's say I double click on STM32F4XX HAL GPIO. So that's a GPIO driver. So if I just double click over that, here it is, it has opened now, right? And here you can see that Eclipse is listing all the exposed APIs. So to whom these APIs? This is to help the user application developer. So he can see that here, oh, this driver is exposing all these APIs for me, so that I can use one among these and get my work done, right? So that's the purpose of API. So this is an API here. This is an API which abstracts what exactly is implemented inside of it, isn't it? So in this course, we are also going to develop these APIs by scratch. Great. So now, but for a time being, let's use the drivers which are given by the ST. All right. So now let me go back to my main.c, and here if you see, this HAL GPIO.c driver is giving an API called HAL GPIO toggle pin. Let's use that in order to toggle our LED. Great. So now let's use this. Let me go to main.c, and here it is, HAL GPIO, and after typing this, just hold your left control key and press the space key. Here it is. So Eclipse is listing all the APIs which begins with that keyword HAL GPIO, and here it is, toggle pin. So let's select that, and it needs two arguments. One is GPIO port and another one is GPIO pin. So this is a pin, this is a port, and we know that, right, from the CubeMX software. So here it is, PA5, right? Let me just zoom it. So PA5, port number is, so port is A and pin number is 5, isn't it? So let's do that. So just don't type 5 here, so that may cause some problem. For that we have to use macros. So just type GPIO and GPIO underscore pin, and then control space. So here it is, select GPIO 5. Great. And here GPIO X here is A. Just type A. Remove that X and type A. Great. So toggle gives some delay. So all delay APIs you can find in HAL.c. So here it is. Just click over it. Just double click over it, and here you will find APIs regarding delay. So here it is, HAL delay. Let's just open that, and here it is saying this function provides minimum delay in milliseconds. That's fine, we can use that. Let's use this, copy this and go to main.c and put here, and let's say 500. Awesome. So you just created a LED toggling application in no time, isn't it? So let's build this project. So that is very important. Now for building, just select your project and click on this hammer icon, or you can right click and select build, so whatever the way you want. So let's click on this icon here, and it is building now. Here you can see, click on this console to observe all the logs, the build logs, and at the end here you can see that it has finished compiling the code, and it has generated the .elf as well as .bin format. Now we have got the binary and we are ready to download this code into our target, and I will show you that in the next lecture.